Hi everyone, welcome to the 7th video of Creative Writing channel. As the title suggests, this video is about review and rewrite, another essential component of creative writing. In this video, I will share my thoughts and experience about review and rewrite. Continuing with the example of draft shared in the last video, I will show you how to review and rewrite a draft to make it look nicer and more attractive to the readers. What is review and rewrite? Review is simply checking. First and foremost objective is to find out whether the written content serves the purpose. Review highlights weaknesses in the draft that are to be fixed while rewriting. Why review and rewrite? During the process of creating a draft, focus was on the main theme. As we went through the process of writing, we disregarded complexity in sentences, left out details that were not readily available, and ignored grammar and spellings. Review is necessary to highlight these shortcomings and subsequent rectifications. How to review and rewrite? Certainly there are multiple things to check, so it is better to categorize and focus on them one by one. The list in front of you highlights different areas that need to be checked. You can add or subtract from this list depending on the nature of your writing. You can go through the list fixing different areas one by one. When and how to rewrite? First and most important thing is to notice during review is that the draft is able to serve the purpose of delivering your intended message or not. If it does, move ahead with fixing things that were left out or need correction in draft. If it does not, rewrite draft to align with your purpose. Moving ahead, let's check with the example how a draft looks like after review and rewrite. Continuing with the example of draft from previous video, let's see how things look like after several reviews and rewrites. Sentences have been restructured, certain points are elaborated to make introduction more comprehensive. You can see highlighted areas that are amended. Remember, it would require several revisions until you reach your level of satisfaction. Moving further ahead, you can see that a long, complex sentence has been broken down into smaller, simpler sentences. These long, complex sentences are normal during draft making. They always require simplification. You can continue like this, reviewing and editing your whole draft. After several attempts, you will ultimately come up with a highly refined version of your piece of writing. Summarizing all this, what I have done is first review draft to ascertain if it conveys the basic message. Once this is established, I reviewed it for sequence of events followed by complexity. Later I checked for grammar and spelling and complete my activity. Hope you have found this video informative and are able to grasp the concept and idea behind review and rewrite. My next video will be about creating final version, where your writing will be ready to be presented to your intended audience. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to remain updated about upcoming videos. Thank you.